Tata Motors and Mahindra have set the bar high when it comes to offering the safest cars that are made in India. And a 5-star rating by Global NCAP holds true to that claim. But now, the latest cars to join the bandwagon are the compact SUVs from the Škoda Auto Volkswagen India Private Limited Group. Yes, both the Škoda Kushaq and the Volkswagen Taigun have scored a 5-star rating in the latest round of crash tests under the Safer Cars for India initiative. In fact, the siblings achieved 5 stars for both adult and child occupant protection, becoming the first models ever to be equally safe for both adults and children. Naturally, the European rightfully claim the title of being the safest compact SUVs in India, since both the Hyundai Creta and the Kia Seltos hold a 3-star rating. But the bigger deal here is that both these models are based on the same highly localized MQB-A0iN platform and are also the brand's first locally made compact SUV offerings. Both the Kushaq and the Taigun have achieved a high rating by securing 29.64 points out of a possible 34 points for adult safety and 42 points out of a possible 49 for child safety. Global NCAP, as always, assessed the base variants of these models, which came with 2 airbags, electronic stability control fitted as standard. The result was a stable structure in the frontal impact, adequate to good protection for adult occupants and marginal to good protection in the side impact scenarios. Even the footwell area and body shell were rated as stable. Child occupants also received full protection during the front and side impact. Global NCAP also reported that ESC equipped on both the models met the fitment rate requirements and the performance shown in the test was acceptable according to the requirements. Global NCAP also commended that the base version of the models offered 3-point seat belts and ISOFIX anchorages for all seating positions at the rear as standard.